camera's very. It's not that
Good
bad.
afternoon, ladies and gents. This is D1741 service to Bridgend. First stop on the service is Grangetown. Then calling on.
I can blur out faces anyway when I post. When you're posting videos on YouTube, you can blur faces, so no one. So faces are not. People getting their faces in my video is not worrying, because I've got one video I definitely will have to blur faces because I don't want people to see themselves.
Oh yeah.
They'll know who they are anyway, because they know what they were wearing that day, so it don't matter. But I want them. I want to. Oh, look at that! I get the HST in.
Oh, what are you seeing? I can't see it.
Sign in. Yeah, that was the one I saw earlier as well.
That's the normal one to Swansea.
Yeah, it's terminating in Cardiff. It's only going to Cardiff, this one, because some of them only go to Cardiff. Oh, 009 coach there. Oh, and another train. That's good. Oh, I think I might have just got that sneaky train just behind it. That pacer, but I'm not sure. Oh, look at that. There's a Colas Rail 37. Yeah, I do.
It's like me then, I used to live right by you.
Oh,
It's the every train passing.
Cardiff. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to get that one. It's too far back to load hall 60. I'll try. No, I'm not going to get anything else. I think that's going to be the end of this video.